Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with facial scars and you're tired of all the remedies that just don't seem to work, you've come to the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below to let us know what other topics you'd like to see. Now let's dive in. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Now, let's talk about scars. Having scars on your face can be frustrating and even a confidence killer. But don't worry. Scars are common, and there are various effective ways to treat them. Step 1. Identify the type of scar you have. Before anything else, it's crucial to understand what type of scar you're dealing with. There are primarily 4 types: hypertrophic, keloid, atrophic, and acne scars. A healthcare provider can provide a proper diagnosis. A study published in the journal Dermatologic Surgery highlights the importance of proper scar identification for effective treatment. Step 2. Consult with a medical professional, optional. If you have a severe scar, it's a good idea to consult a dermatologist or a medical expert. They may recommend treatments like laser therapy, dermabrasion, or even surgery. The Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology strongly supports professional advice for effective scar treatment. Step 3. Silicone gel sheets. Silicone gel sheets can be used for a variety of scars, and they are usually a dermatologist's first choice. This treatment method has been backed up by the International Journal of Dermatology. Simply apply the sheet on the clean scar area and leave it on for several hours. Step 4. Aloe vera gel. You can never go wrong with nature's gift. Aloe vera. A study in the Annals of Plastic Surgery found that aloe vera improves the appearance and texture of scars. Just apply a small amount onto the scar and massage it in a circular motion for a few minutes. Repeat twice daily. Step 5. Chemical peels. Chemical peels can be used for more stubborn scars. These peels contain various acids that help in skin resurfacing. Remember to do a patch test before you apply it to the scar. Also, always follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Step 6. Over-the-counter retinoid cream. Retinoids help by accelerating cell regeneration. A report from the American Academy of Dermatology shows that topical retinoids are effective for both acne and non-acne scars. Apply a thin layer over the scar every night before bed. Step 7. Sunscreen. Never underestimate the power of sunscreen. The American Journal of Clinical Dermatology emphasizes how protecting your skin from the sun can significantly minimize the appearance of scars. Always apply sunscreen of at least SPF 30 when you're out and about. Step 8. Home remedies. As an optional step, you could try using natural remedies like lemon juice and honey, though these are less scientifically backed compared to other methods. A study in the Asian Journal of Clinical Nutrition states that lemon juice and honey have some healing properties, but it's not guaranteed to work for everyone. That's all for today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment below. Remember, each scar is different, and what works for one person might not work for another, so feel free to consult a professional for tailored advice. Until next time, take care.